Hi, good afternoon. This is Dr. Amihan of the Health Medical Clinic and Pharmacy, your humble servant in health in the province of Antique. We are now about to discuss with regards to an important clinical topic entitled long COVID, or what we call PASC. PASC stands for post-acute SARS-CoV-2 complications, or post-acute sequelae of SARS-CoV-2. This happens to patients who survive COVID, especially with moderate, severe, and critical symptoms. And as what I've said, those patients who survive with such diseases and gets well, and then will be able to still feel the symptoms 3 to 4 weeks after they have the disease. And sometimes these types of signs and symptoms will linger or will be felt by the patients up to 8 to 9 months, or some of them even had 1 year with regards to the symptoms. Now, the signs and symptoms felt by the patients such as dizziness, easy fatigability, body pains, palpitations, chest pains, shortness of breath, even cold clammy sweats, and sometimes loss of consciousness can be felt by the patients, especially if they stands immediately from supine position, from sleeping position. So since COVID affects the autonomic nervous system, so some of the patients had or will be able to feel palpitations and loss of consciousness with excessive sweating. So the explanation of this one is this is due to the chronic inflammation that has still been there in the patient's body, because the body reacts of the presence of the SARS-CoV-2 structural debris, and especially the spike proteins, of which the body reacts against that. So the body continues to produce inflammatory substances, and by doing so, the body or the patient will feel the above mentioned signs and symptoms. And as what I've said, if patients had, if your patients had the above signs and symptoms of post-COVID or long COVID, you have to seek medical attention, because this signs and symptoms is worrisome. It creates emotional and psychological problems to the patients, because they think that they are healed from COVID and yet they still have the symptoms. So for best management of such post-COVID sequelae or complications, you really have to seek medical consult for that. Now, if you have difficulty in having seeking medical consult, and going outside your area, especially in Pandan, because of the restrictive protocols that is imposed to us by the government, you can or you are feel free to visit our clinics, the Health Medical Clinic and Pharmacy, because we have strategies, new strategies and treatment for that problem. Please do so. Drop by and visit us for more if you have queries and medical consults. We are open to serve you and love to see you in the clinic. As what I said, this is a very important messages for you. This is Dr. Amihan. Once again, wishing you the best of everything and keep safe. God bless.